All right, let's have a look at how you access your spare tyres. So we need to drop down this tailgate. So there's a couple of things we need to do. There's a safety pin in here and there's one on each side. So we undo that latch there and just support that a little bit. It's still getting held from the other side. Undo the pin on the other side, undo the latch, and then that will drop. Just support that a little bit as you drop it. Now, in your trailer you will have a winder bar which you use to also drop your support legs up and down, but this is also the same here to undo these nuts to get the tyre off. So I'll show you in reverse. Just pick that up. So keep that supported. First latch goes on and your pin. And then you may just need to lift this other side just slightly so that you can get that latch on and then pin it closed.